What is the difference between garam and garmii? Garam means it's an adjective. You describe a noun. Example, chai bahut garam hai. But garmi is a noun. It's a feminine noun. Garmi means heat. आज कमरे में बहुत गर्मी है. Today, in the room, there's a lot of heat. So, garmi can be used as a noun but not as an adjective. You cannot say chai garmi hai. That's wrong. You have to say chai garam hai, coffee garam hai, pani garam hai. Now let's see another form of garam, garam masaalaa. So India is famous for spices. So we say spices in Hindi as garam masala. So these spices include cinnamon, cardamom, peppercorns, etc. So garam masala खाने में ज़्यादा है. There's a lot of spices in the food. Now let's see another form of garam in Hindi sentences. Sometimes we would find the food to have a lot of chilies. So in English, we would say the food is very hot. It's too spicy. But in Hindi, we cannot say khana garam hai. If I say khana garam hai, it means that the food is very hot. It cannot be taken as that it has a lot of chilies. So how do you express that the food has a lot of chili in it? You say, खाने में बहुत मिर्च है. Mirch means chilies. Or you can even say, खाना बहुत तीखा है. Tikha means it is very peppery.